Got an update video for the 1995 Montero LS. I'm waiting for my buddy to go on a mountain bike ride, so here you go. There's the hitch-mounted bike rack. It's older, but it still works. I finished the sleeping platform in the back. There's the sleeping platform. Obviously, you can't sit in the rear seats, but my dog can lay back there. He likes it. There's a 3-inch mattress pad. I'll put a link in the description. I keep the sheet on it to keep it from getting too dirty. I can still store stuff down here. There's the black iron pipe that threads into the platform and it supports it. You can still access the small compartments. It's obviously harder when you're holding the camera. You just keep a quart of oil, tire patch kit, other stuff that I never use down there. You better look at that black iron pipe where it screws in. Here's the back. This is where I use these black plastic totes. They're short enough to slide in there. I originally made these custom bins that fit in there real nice, but they're real heavy, and I just prefer to use those plastic totes. The totes are smaller, and they got a lid. You can stack them. There's tons of space under here. I keep my tools, jumper cables, tow rope, stuff like that. There's a turnbuckle that holds the platform down. I've covered the platform with some carpet, stapled in place. I use these black iron pipes to support the platform, but this cooler fits in there pretty well. It supports it. Put that somewhere safe so I don't lose it. I'm going to break down the platform so you can see what it's like. Fold that, flop that out of the way. Go to the other side. That's the black metal pipe. Unscrew that. Check it out. Put that somewhere safe. Flop this, fold it, flop it. It's got 2 sets of hinges. The middle section is supported by the rear seat. Here's the threaded fitting where the pipe fits in. Got this adjustable piece just to make sure it's the right height. All this stuff's off the shelf from Home Depot. Lift this up, fold it over, push it out of the way. There you go. Fold up the rear seat. It's time to sleep. You flop this part back over. Screw in the metal pipe. Shove the mattress back in. A lot of shoving. Shoving, folding, flopping. That's what this is all about. See the red airbag in the spring. Up under there. This decreases body roll at highway speeds in the mountains. I've got these lines run to the rear bumper. It's like a Schrader valve. You just pump it up with a bike pump to set the pressure. I gotta take the bike off and fold down the rack to open the rear door all the way, but if you just need to reach in to grab something real quick, you can do it with the bike on in the normal position. The only trouble is fooling with this little pin here.
Somewhere.
What a nice bike you have.
Exactly.
That's pretty slick.
Dude, that guy must be fucking badass.
He's cool. What a cool guy.
Holy shit, I needed this.